America Nepal Medical Foundation has contributed significantly over the last several years in the health sector of Nepal, particularly during the times of crisis like the earthquake of 2015 and this COVID crisis. I would really like to appreciate all the members of ANMF US and the donors for supporting the great cause. I look forward to working with you all in future too. Thank you.
Dr. Pooja Amatya from Patan Academy of Health Science went to Kanchi Kamakoti Child Trust Hospital, Chennai, India for Pediatric Critical Care Fellowship Program, which was for 1 year. It was done to enhance her knowledge, which will help Department of Pediatrics in Patan Hospital with introduction to new dimension in critical pediatric care in Nepal.
I completed my fellowship in pediatric critical care from Chennai, India. Doing fellowship in India was a great learning experience for me, as I was involved in the management of critically ill child with various complex disease condition. Along with that, during this period, I got opportunity for hands-on training in various procedures that is done in PICU. During this period, I participated in various trainings, workshops, which helped me to boost my knowledge. After rejoining at PAS, I have started revising the protocols of critically ill child. Along with that, we have started point of care ultrasonography as well as echocardiography, which will definitely help in the improvement of quality of care for critically ill child in Nepal. I would like to thank American Nepal Medical Foundation, its members, donors and Dr. Sangeeta Basnet Koirala for supporting me to complete my 1-year fellowship program at Chennai, India. Thank you.
ANMF Nepal will procure and provide Patan Academy of Health Science with musculoskeletal ultrasound and rheumatology text with reference materials, which will be used for educational purposes. MOU has been signed with all parties. ANMF Nepal will procure and provide Patan Academy of Health Science with bronchoscope. Patan Academy of Health Science has provided the specification of the bronchoscope according to their need. Bronchoscope will add educational and training value for Patan Academy of Health Science. MOU has been signed with all the parties. Oxygen plant will be provided to Kosi Hospital, Biratnagar of 500-liter capacity, which will help fulfill the oxygen demand of the hospital as it is one of the center hospital and provide care to a huge number of patients.
Koshi Hospital is a 350-bedded government hospital situated in eastern Nepal. Till date, hospital has been buying oxygen from different vendors because hospital doesn't have an oxygen plant of its own. In March 2020, we signed a MOU with ANMF for the construction of oxygen plant. However, the construction has been delayed due to lockdown, and I'm confident that it will be done as soon as the lockdown is lifted. Oxygen plant will help Koshi Hospital in minimizing its expenses as well as in maintaining patient care. I'm very much grateful to ANMF for its contribution for oxygen plant. Thank you.
ANMF Nepal constructed a building at Kokani Rural Municipality, Ward No. 3, Chauthe, Nuwakot, to be used as health center dedicated to the respective rural municipality and its surrounding. The healthcare center is constructed in order to provide healthcare facilities in that area. As the construction of the building is completed and the handover letter has been provided to us, it will soon be in operation as promised by local government authority of Chauthe, Nuwakot. Rapti Academy of Health Science has been provided with the amount of 68,25,200 to purchase the required equipment to help improve their ICU. Handover of the check was done in the presence of official member of ANMF and Rapti Academy of Health Science along with our Honorable Health Minister Mr. Van Bhakta Dhakal. Kathmandu Institute of Child Health is dedicated towards providing state-of-the-art children's healthcare in Nepal, along with conducting research, community and preventive works. ANMF Nepal has collaborated with Kathmandu Institute of Child Health in order to support its humanitarian cause.
So in this particular project that the ANMF is funding, Hamro Life Bank is creating a digitized, managed and very organized search process, which basically is a hotline that's called Ragat Chahiyo, which will be based off on a blood information system, blood information dispatch system. We're very excited that ANMF is supporting us in this project, and thank you for understanding the need of the project and believing in our mission, and we look forward to creating a big impact. Thank you.
Namaste and greetings from Kathmandu, Nepal. As an executive chief of Nepal Health Research Council, it gives me an immense pleasure to congratulate to America Nepal Medical Foundation team on a meaningful year gone by. Thank you for making genuine and reliable contributions in Nepal in advancing healthcare, medical trainings and practices. We are looking forward to invaluable collaborations with you to foster successful implementation of the interconnected goals in promoting health research in this country with sustainable strategy and action plans. I wish you all in a very effective, successful and productive virtual annual general meetings. Dhanyavad.
नमस्ते, अमेरिका नेपाल मेडिकल फाउन्डेसन नेपालको तर्फबाट हामीले यस वर्ष विभिन्न प्रोजेक्टहरू गरेको जुन हामीले यहाँ विवरण दिइसकेका छौँ। पाटन अस्पतालको प्रोजेक्ट, राप्तीको प्रोजेक्ट, चिल्ड्रेन हस्पिटलको प्रोजेक्ट, कोशीको अक्सिजन प्लान्टको प्रोजेक्टहरू हामीले अनगोइङ छ गरेका छौँ र यहाँहरूले यो प्रोजेक्टको लागि गर्नुभएको कन्ट्रिब्युसनको लागि हाम्रो तर्फबाट धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद दिन चाहन्छु। थ्याङ्क यू एभ्रिवान।